Hey everybody, Miss Dietrich here. We're taking a look at question number 1 from L14. Carlos paints murals. He can paint 1/5 of a mural each day. Select the 3 days he will finish a mural. So that means he doesn't have one that's partially done. It's completely done. One way that we might look at to organize our thinking for this is to set this up as a ratio table. So we can do in 1 day, so if we just look at it 1 day at a time, we can talk about the amount of the mural that's done. So I'm not even sure how to word that, but we'll put, completion, I guess, might be a good way to put it. So I'll just abbreviate that. All right, so on day 1, we would have 1/5 of it done, which means on day 2, we would have 2/5 of it done. On day 3, we would have 3/5 of it done. On day 4, we would have 4/5 of it done. And on day 5, we would have 5/5 of it done, which means we have the whole thing done, because remember 5/5 is equal to 1. That's 1 mural done. Now we could keep going here because look, day 5 is not even a choice. Look at what the choices are. We could keep going. We could go 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. But it's my hope that you might recognize something about this right here. If I were to keep going, that means that we would have something that's compatible with 5. If we keep this going, this would be 6/5 of a mural, 7/5, 8/5, 9/5, 10/5. So 10/5, that would be 2 completed murals, right? 2 completed murals. 2 that are done. So on day 5 we have 1 of them completed. On day 10 we would have 2 murals finished. So what we should recognize here is that we're looking at multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. That means anything that's not a multiple of 5, we're going to cross it out. That's not a multiple of 5. This is, right, because we'd have 2 murals finished on day 10. This is not a multiple of 5. So go through the rest of the list and ask yourself, is this a multiple of 5? Is this a multiple of 5? Now, if that doesn't make sense to you, then you're just going to keep the chart going and, ask yourself, if I do the numerator divided by the denominator, do I get a whole number? And if you do, then you're going to pick that. Otherwise, don't pick it. All right, good luck finishing this up.